Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, how it moves in and out without any effort at all. Each inhale is a gift of life. Each exhale, a release of tension. Feel the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest, and as you exhale, feel the subtle softening in your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. This is your body speaking to you in the language of peace, and you can trust that language. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. There is a warmth there, a quiet hum of vitality that has always been present. It may feel faint at first, like a distant star, but as you focus on it, it begins to grow brighter. This is your inner wellspring of health, and in this space, you are safe, you are supported, and you are ready to receive. As you breathe in, imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing in pure, radiant light. This light is alive with energy, with healing, with the essence of perfect vitality. And as you exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you. Any tiredness, any heaviness, any doubt. Now, let your mind drift back to a time when you felt completely vibrant and alive. Perhaps it was a morning when you woke up feeling refreshed and strong, or a moment when you were immersed in nature, feeling the sun on your skin and the energy of the earth beneath your feet. Maybe it was a time when you were laughing deeply, your body pulsing with joy and vitality. Bring that memory fully into your awareness. See the colors, hear the sounds, and most importantly, feel the sensation of that vibrant health flowing through every cell of your being. And as you hold that feeling, I invite you to notice how it expands. It's as if a wave of warmth begins to spread from your chest, moving down through your torso into your arms, your hands, your fingertips, and then down through your legs, your feet, grounding you in a deep sense of wellness. And this is your body's natural state. This is the truth of who you are. Now, with each breath, I want you to repeat these words silently in your mind. I am whole. healthy. I am vibrant. Let these words sink into your subconscious like seeds planted in rich soil. Your mind and body know exactly how to cultivate these seeds. Repeat after me, silently or aloud. My body is a temple of perfect health. Every cell in my body vibrates with vitality. That's put. Every cell in my body vibrates with vitality. I am in harmony with the natural rhythms of life. Thoughts. These are not just words. They are the truth that your subconscious is now embracing. Each repetition deepens the imprint, strengthens the belief, and transforms your reality. Now let's deepen this state. Imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing in a stream of pure healing energy from the universe itself. This energy is infinite, intelligent, and perfectly aligned with your highest good. As it enters your body, it begins to dissolve any blockages, any tension, any residue of illness or fatigue. You can feel it moving through you like a gentle river, cleansing and renewing everything it touches. Your organs are bathed in this light. Your bones are strengthened. Your immune system is activated and empowered. And as you exhale, you release any remaining doubt, any fear, any resistance to this transformation. With each breath, you become lighter, clearer, more alive. It's as if a veil is being lifted, and you see yourself as you truly are, a radiant being of health and vitality. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel it beating with repeat these affirmations with me, feeling their truth in every cell. I am filled with vibrant energy. Oh, I am in perfect balance, body, mind, and spirit. Let each affirmation resonate deeply, as if your subconscious is echoing them back to you. You are not just saying these words. You are living them, breathing them, embodying them. Now, imagine a cascade of sparkling light flowing from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. This light is like a waterfall of pure energy, washing away any fatigue, any stress, any stagnation. As it flows, it leaves behind a trail of vitality. Your skin tingles with new life. Your muscles feel supple and strong. Your mind is clear and focused. You are being renewed from the inside out. And with each breath, you can feel this vitality growing. It's as if a wellspring of energy is bubbling up from deep within you. This energy is inexhaustible because it comes from the infinite source of life itself. You are connected to that source always. And you can draw upon it whenever you need. Now, let's anchor this state of And as you hold this anchor, repeat these words. My body knows how to heal itself perfectly. Every cell is alive with intelligence and purpose. I am grateful for the health that flows through me. Feel the gratitude rising in your heart. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of health. When you are grateful for your body, it responds with even greater vitality. So, let that gratitude fill you now. Now, imagine that you are standing in a field of golden sunlight. The air is pure and fresh, and with each breath, you feel your lungs expand with life. The sun's rays penetrate your skin, warming your muscles, energizing your blood. You feel a deep sense of peace and strength. This is your natural state. This is the reality you are creating. Repeat after me. I am in perfect health, and I am grateful for this gift. My body is a vessel of vitality, and I honor it with love. I am aligned with the healing forces of the universe. A sun's rays penetrate your skin, warming your muscles, energizing your blood. You feel a deep sense of peace and strength. This is your natural state. This is the reality you are creating. Repeat after me. I am in perfect health, and I am grateful for this gift now. Let's integrate this state fully. Imagine that the golden light within you begins to radiate outward, forming a protective aura of health around your body. Case prahi, this aura is like a shield of vitality, repelling any negativity, any illness, any fatigue. It strengthens with each breath, each affirmation, each moment of presence. Now, kit thee spasser. Every press to reteed this powered is prested. You prepare these words silently. I am a beacon of vitality. You are caperstide mon the ever body, that state, the start pressed, the forning. Way, fi to illused statements. Now bring your awareness. They are radiate into the world, creating ripples of healing. And as they do, they return to you multiplied. tickled as start by the ride the weird decapper starred. He coughed his dumply, and they are that shoe to a more now molded, power status. Ed halts sluffered deeply, he any moment to simply breathe. Touch your thumb and forefinger together, and remember this feeling. Let's see, art prepared to return to full awareness. Know that this transformation is real and lasting. The seeds of health have been planted in your subconscious. They will grow and flourish in the days ahead. You are supported by the infinite intelligence of life itself, and you are ready to carry this vitality into every moment of your day. Take one final deep breath. Feel the gratitude in your heart for this practice, for your body's wisdom, for your mind's openness, for your spirit's resilience. You are whole. You are healthy. You are vibrant. Talo. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.